Enagic was founded in Okinawa, Japan by Hironari Oshiro. In 1974, Mr. Oshiro began a company that was the precursor to Enagic. In 1990, he officially adopted the True Health philosophy to his life and his business. And Enagic was born. Over the next decade, Mr. Oshiro researched how the perfect Kangen water system should be manufactured and distributed. And in 2000, his product line officially launched with its first water filtration system, the Level Up Deluxe.
In Japan, since 1992, several Japanese TV stations broadcasted a series of daily news reports on a product called ionized water, also called Kangen water, but they labeled it miracle water. This patient had a bad case of diabetes and had to have his leg amputated from the knees. However, the doctor experimented with acidic water in which he bathed the leg first. And concurrently, the patient drank 1.5 gallons of alkali water a day. The result surprising. He only needed to cut the tip of his toe, and other than that, full recovery.
2003 was a monumental year for Enagic, and it became known as Global Year One, marking the beginning of distribution internationally. While distribution was warming up in their new Los Angeles, Taipei, and Hawaii branches, the Levelux Super 501 and the Anespa water filtration systems were introduced. In 2004, Enagic's New York office was opened, just in time for their 30-year anniversary. In 2005, the Okinawa, Japan office was designated as Enagic's international headquarters. In 2008, Enagic took another positive step as they opened their official Enagic USA, a U.S. headquarter of Enagic. All of the filtration products are designed and manufactured in Osaka, Japan, under a very strict code of guidelines, which are enforced by the Japanese government. Every component of every product is made from scratch in the factory under close supervision, ensuring efficiency, durability, and the ability to produce the highest quality Kangen water imaginable. From the electrode plate to the charcoal-infused water filters themselves, everything is made in one place. Enagic feels that with all of these various aspects of production being contained to one factory, a supreme level of synergy is created, generating the finest products possible.
Strong acidic water is used in many Japanese hospitals in the treatment of various conditions, including acne, psoriasis, eczema, foot fungus, strep throat, and many, many more. It has also shown improvements with peripheral circulation and diabetic gangrene. Strong acidic water, also known as electrolyzed oxidizing water, carries a pH balance of 2.5, making it an excellent antibacterial agent with the capacity to kill 99.99% of all bacteria. This type of water, when sold as a wound care spray, has a market value of $2,125 per gallon. Enagic water ionizers also produce Beauty water, a slightly acidic water, which is the ideal pH for skin, making beauty water an excellent skin toner, thus allowing for hair and skin to be hydrated at a cellular level. 7.0 clean water is produced by running through Enagic's activated charcoal filter, which purifies it of chlorine, pesticides, heavy metals, rust, calcium buildup, lye, and more. This water is recommended to be used in the preparation of baby food and formula, also for the taking of medications. Kangen water comes in 3 different pH levels: 8.5, 9.0, and 9.5.
Kangen water 9.5.
What you will learn in the next few minutes can literally change your life, and all you have to do is pay attention. Health in America has been steadily declining over the past few decades, even though the United States spends more on healthcare than almost any other country on earth. America is dying to get healthy. Yet people being and staying sick is big business. The pharmaceutical industry greatly influences the American healthcare system, in some cases encouraging physicians to help them create lifelong customers to the medicated treatment of symptoms. Wellness in America is competing with an industry that thrives on sickness and disease, not health. America is also suffering from exposure of toxins, pollutants, hormones, artificial preservatives, and other substances. Studies suggest this exposure is compromising the immune system and speeding up the aging process, a reaction experts are calling accelerated cellular degeneration. People are searching for ways to improve their health, and many people have discovered the incredible health benefits of simply drinking more water. Dehydration is a major contributing factor to many minor health conditions, like headaches, fatigue, constipation, and sleeplessness. But it has also been linked to chronic illnesses like kidney disease, diabetes, adrenal gland disorders, and cystic fibrosis. Studies have found that nearly 90% of Americans are dehydrated. The body is made up of over 70% water, so the connection between water and health makes sense. But can adopting a regimen of increased water consumption really help improve health? That all depends on the water. Unfortunately, the nutritious and healthy waters that once flowed from the mountains are just not what most of us get anymore. Instead, most Americans have turned to bottled water. Millions of dollars are spent each year convincing consumers that bottled water is the way to go, and bottled water has become big business. Some bottled waters actually cost more per gallon than premium gasoline. But excessive cost isn't the biggest downfall to bottled water. Toxic chemicals leached from plastic bottles is a growing concern, as well as the environmental impact of producing and disposing of billions of water bottles each year. Beyond cost, leaching chemicals and environmental impact, bottled water may actually have a negative effect on your health. When the pH of the body becomes overly acidic, we enter a state known as acidosis. Most bottled waters have a pH level below neutral, which is considered acidity and may contribute to acidosis. There is a solution. The Japanese word Kangen means return to origin. Kangen water helps your body rehydrate in a way that builds a solid foundation for good health through microclustering, promotes superior penetration and absorption. The antioxidant property neutralizes free radicals. Alkalinity helps maintain the delicate pH balance. When the body is in a state of balance and the neutral defenses are working the way they should, the results can be amazing. Kangen water is alkaline-rich water and is considered the very best drinking water because of its incomparable powers of hydration, detoxification, and antioxidation. Kangen water uses revolutionary Japanese technology to transform your tap water into the most nutritious and delicious water available. World-renowned medical professionals agree that Kangen water is the best water.
I've had the great fortune in my life to have graduated from one of the finest medical schools in the world, Harvard. I was trained in the Harvard residency program. I've spent my entire professional career affiliated with that institution. One of the best things, next to being affiliated with this great institution, has been my discovery of Kangen water. Antioxidants have become very, very popular because they are electron donors. And when they meet a free radical, that free radical gets what it wants. It gets its electron, and it's neutralized. Now, the oxidation reduction potential of Kangen water is gigantic. It's about 30 times greater than the famous green tea. Everyone knows about green tea being a profoundly good antioxidant. Fruits, vegetables are considered antioxidants. Kangen water at a pH of 9.5 can have a negative, which is an electron donating reduction potential of up to 600 millivolts. It's measured in millivolts. You couldn't eat enough fruits and vegetables to get anywhere near that amount into your system. One of the things that you learn is called primum non nocere. Above all, do no harm. That is the duty of a physician. It dates back to Hippocrates. None of us want to do harm. What we should do, and I think when we're convinced of something that is really truly good for people, we should go and recommend it to people.
So why are celebrities like Steven Tyler, Carlos Santana, Donald Trump, Lou Ferrigno, and thousands of other celebrities making the switch to Kangen water? Because it's working for them. And it's not just celebrities. People that care about their health are making the switch. People just like you. This amazing water is being brought to the world by Enagic, an incredible 40-year-old company from Japan. Enagic is a member of the Water Quality Association, WQA, and the Direct Selling Association. The factory is certified by the International Organization for Standardization for Manufacturing Excellence, including the industry's only ISO certification for manufacturing a medical-grade device. They are also the only ionizer company with WQA Gold Seal certification for water quality. Enagic leads the industry in innovation and quality, and their products are recognized as the gold standard in the industry. Change your water. Change your life.
Strong acidic water.
Okay, finally, let's take a look at the strong 11.5 alkaline water. It works as an emulsifier, it removes pesticides from your produce, it makes it taste healthier, and makes your produce last longer. These are not organic, right? And pesticides are oil-based because when it rains, they have to have the oil so the pesticides don't fall off. Well, the 11.5 is our strong alkaline Kangen water that's highly antioxidant, and it actually can remove all oils, which is why you can replace your laundry detergent with it and replace any kind of like degreaser for your stove or any kind of like cleaner like that. But here is my favorite part. So we're gonna wash these tomatoes with bottled water, or just say filtered water, right? Then we're going to wash these tomatoes with the 11.5 water. Oops, gonna make a mess. We actually have this proven on PubMed to remove between 80 to 95% of all pesticides from your produce. My favorite part is that not only does the produce taste better, like it's not have that filmy, gross, slimy pesticide taste, and the produce lasts about a week longer. So by the way, when you wash your produce, so any fruits and vegetables at home with tap water, the chlorine is actually being absorbed into your fruits and vegetables. Same with your shower. That's why we have a shower unit. Even bottled water or filtered water at home, the chemicals are being put into the produce, but the worst part is it's not pulling out the pesticides and really cleaning the produce like you would like it to. Where the 11.5 can actually penetrate all oil and emulsify it and break it down and pull out all those pesticides.
As Enagic's president and founder, Hironari Oshiro maintains,
還元ウォーターは私たちの真の健康を目指す一番のテーマの商品として開発されました。エナジックの基本的な考え方であります真の健康を実現する、これこそがこの還元ウォーターに与えられたテーマでございます。